Hello everyone, today I've got a MAKITA 4-cycle leaf blower here. So I'm cleaning my yard up a little bit, and I've had this blower now for a couple of years, a little over 2 years actually, and I guess I've probably started and ran it about probably 80 to 100 times. Probably got about, I'm guessing maybe 70 hours of use on the blower here. So pretty much just for home use around the yard here, and it's been a really good blower for me, and I wanted to demonstrate today how easy it is to get this thing started and just up and running. All you got to do is just grab yourself some gas, check the oil, make sure that the oil level is good, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. I've never changed the spark plug on this yet. I haven't even changed the oil on this, so we'll take a look at the color of the oil. I'll show you how to change it. We'll see what else. I haven't changed or looked at the filter, and I don't think I'm going to need to do that today, but I'm going to get some gas out here and show you how simple it is to start this up. So before putting gas in, let's check the oil level. Wipe it off here. Alright, so the oil level needs to be between the top hole and the bottom hole, kind of in the center hole area there. And notice how I've got the blower. It's pretty level here for checking. And it's just sitting upright. Alright, so the oil looks good. It is getting dirty, so I'm going to have to change it pretty soon here. Oil for this blower is 10W30. And to add oil, you just put the unit up like this or on its side, and then you can add oil that way. Let's see, spark plug. To get to the spark plug, just push up here, slide, and there's a spark plug right there. Don't need to do anything to that today. Let's go ahead and put gas. So I'm just using regular unleaded gas for this. And I'm usually able to start this with about one pull here, 1 to 2. So I'm really pleased with that. This is going to be a 3-week cold start. I haven't ran it in 3 weeks, started or ran it. So engine is completely cold. And okay, so primer bulb is, where's the primer bulb? It's right here, underneath here. Primer bulb is right here. I'm going to be pushing that about 7 to 10 times. I've just about found that every time I push it 7 times, I can actually feel the gas going into the carburetor. So, yeah, 7 to 10 times. Then I'm going to put it in the what they call the closed choke position, which is up, all the way up. Probably can't see that, but red lever all the way up, and then I'll pull it 1 time or 2 times, however it takes to start. And once it does start, I will push it down here to the run position. They say to do it gradual, so Lately I just kind of automatically push it down and it doesn't stall or go out. So yeah, let's see how easy that is. Okay, when I finish, I like to run all the gas out. So it just ran itself out. Otherwise, I will turn it off. Here, pour in the extra gas that I have remaining into a gas can. Put the gas cap back on, restart it, and then run it till it's completely out. That's how I like to store it, and I like to also store it on a level horizontal floor instead of hanging it upright. But that's how I've been doing it. So thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day out there. Take care, everyone.